Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your scheduling links using Calendly for LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile icon to access account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Integrations. Locate the LinkedIn integration option. Click on Connect next to LinkedIn. A pop-up will appear asking you to authorize the connection. Enter your LinkedIn credentials if prompted and grant the necessary permissions. After successful authorization, return to your Calendly dashboard. Next, create a new event type by clicking on Event Types in the main menu. Choose the type of event you want to schedule, such as a one-on-one meeting. Set the duration and availability for your event. Fill in the details, including event name and description. Look for the option that allows you to add a scheduling link. Copy the unique link generated for your event. Now, open your LinkedIn profile in a separate tab. Navigate to the section where you want to add your scheduling link. You can place it in your bio or as a featured post. Paste the Calendly link into the chosen section. Make sure to save the changes to your LinkedIn profile. To verify that it works, click on the link you just added. This will redirect you to your Calendly scheduling page. Ensure that the event details are visible and correct. If everything looks good, your scheduling link is now verified. You can share this link with your LinkedIn connections or use it in messages. Regularly check your Calendly settings to ensure everything remains up to date. That wraps up the steps to verify your scheduling links using Calendly for LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.